Check this out, guys. Swag Off-Road coming through. So when you buy this kit, it will not come complete like this. You will have to order the dies separately. You will have to order the air over hydraulic ram separately. And this is the tube angle finder, which they sell on their website as well. This is a pretty cool setup too. That's all machined, and yeah, that's pretty dope. Anyhow, and then you have to order this. All this tooling comes as a package as well. So pretty cool stuff, man. So when I ordered just this actually came in a couple shipments, and I'm guessing because of the weight and handling of parts and stuff. So this will come in a box. I think these come in a box, and this comes in a separate box. So yeah. And then we got over here a couple accessories that I'll be using on the universal platform that we will be putting together today. So we got a few wheels, paint, and an air foot pedal. And I want to get you guys input about this right here. This is a air foot pedal that you can use on air tools. So I recently used one of these on my last build, which was of the Swag Off-Road finger press brake, the 50-inch version. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's pretty dope. And this works on that press brake. But I'm questioning the inputs that are in here are very, very small. So it seems restricted to me to have something like this, but I'm going to use it anyways. Compared to the chuck right here, as you see, for the rams. So this has got a pretty good amount of flow right here when it comes to air. I feel this may be restricted. I don't know, but I'm gonna use it anyway, and we'll find out at the end of this video. So yeah, let me get you guys' input. If you guys have used it before or have heard of people using these, and what your thoughts are. Here's the bottom of the Swag Off-Road tube bender. As you see, it has a square tube receiver, and what that allows you to do is to put another square tube inside of this one and secure it. So what I picked up at Harbor Freight was this D-ring receiver hitch. This thing's only 12 bucks, and it's made out of looks like 3/16 steel. So this is probably going to do the job for us, and it's got this square base on there. I love repurposing things and for projects like this. So what we'll do is we'll chop off the bottom half right here till we have a flat surface, and then we'll stick that in there, and then weld this to our universal mount. All right. So another thing we're going to be using are these here wheels. I picked these up at Lowe's, and the reason I like them is because you can lock not only the wheel but the base for this wheel, so it will not allow whatever we're working on to move. So that's pretty cool. Got a whip hose that I'm gonna extend our line with, and then we're gonna put a kick-ass paint job on it. Stay tuned. What I've got right here, the base mount for a English wheel, and even a universal platform for future tooling. All right, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's get after it. they sent this Swag Off-Road press brake with 2 washers in one location, and there actually should be one right there. So I need to disassemble this. So I loosened these 2 bolts right here. That allowed me to get this thing loose. So I can get that washer out of there. I'm about to put this piece together. There's really no clear instructions in the on the paper to show how to do this. I had to look at some images online. This is the hardware that did not come with this kit, unfortunately, but fortunately I had some bolts and whatnot hanging around. So this is your guide. Like, pretty much this is how you align your this tube section that we're putting together. So these parts go right here and then here, and then just bolts together like so. Let's go put this on. So unfortunately, this bolt that I found isn't long enough, but I'll keep searching in here in my garage and see what I can find. But yeah, as you see, it's adjustable. So I believe once you get this bolt in there and adjust it to the right height to where this die and this guy line up, yeah, that's where it'll stay, and that's where you'll want it to be every time. This is a moment I was not prepared for. I almost lost my finger. I'm not joking. Like, straight full panic mode. Dude, just, you gotta watch this. Like, check this out. What makes it even worse, I've got my freaking gloves on and my fingers start going numb. Like, I know you're not supposed to panic in situations like this, but it is hard not to, for real. And I don't even know how, just look. I pulled this pin thinking that it was gonna help, but I don't know. Thank good Lord was watching over me this day. Ugh. This is how not to do this. In just a moment, I'm gonna show you just how to do this the correct way, all right? But dude, talk about straight panic mode. Oh my gosh. There it is. Like, dude, I really thought I was gonna lose my finger this day. I'm so serious. There's some cuss words going off after that. All right, back to the video.
Here's the foot switch I added on here. It's pretty straightforward. So I replaced the zip tie with a metal band to make sure that that wouldn't come unloose in the future. And then there's the English wheel dies. There's the bead roller dies. And then future areas for the tube bender dies. Little hanger there. But yeah.
Hey guys, this is going to conclude this video. As you see, the tube bender works, and I'm in the process of making some rock sliders for my Tundra. So if you'd like to watch that video, it'll be coming out very soon. Hey, once again guys, I appreciate you coming to watch my video. I hope you learned something on how to build your tube bender. Hey, till next time guys, stay humble, hustle harder. Peace. Let me get the piece up there. Here it is. Later guys.